Toilet training is easier for everybody when you have a next step built-in potty seat, the seat that works for children and just as well for adults. For mom or dad, older children or guests, the seat functions like any other, but toddlers have their own special seat that secures into the lid with a magnet. Even small children can easily pull it down and put it up again, all by themselves. No need for bathroom clutter and the fuss of a separate potty seat. The Next Step child seat removes easily for cleaning or on the big day when a toddler graduates to a full-size seat. Keep using Next Step, but set the child seat aside. Who knows, you might have grandchildren someday. The Next Step built-in potty seat, another innovation from Bemis.
They say a home is where the heart is, a reflection of you. Is your kitchen or bath appealing, comforting, welcoming? That's where we come in. At Bath Royale, we are about three things: product quality, function, and value. After 3 decades designing and producing for many of the world's biggest brands, we founded our company based on expertise, trust, and family values. Still not sure? Well, don't take our word for it. Check out the thousands of recommendations and positive reviews, as most Bath Royale products are highest rated in their categories. Oh, did I mention our money-back guarantee? As a family-owned business located here in the United States, we don't cut corners or outsource customer service. We listen and we care.
Love your home. Choose Bath Royale.
Sintoco's medical assistance toilet seats are raised by 2 or 3 inches. These seats are ADA compliant and designed to assist those with disabilities or limited mobility. By elevating the toilet seat to a more comfortable level, there's less bending and pressure on the knees. A higher toilet seat can also assist in transferring from a wheelchair to the toilet by raising the toilet seat to a level closer to that of the wheelchair. Let's take a step-by-step look at how simple and easy it is to install and maintain your Sintoco medical assistance toilet seat. First, it is important to make sure that you have all the parts needed. As well, you will need only one tool, a 9/16" wrench. Insert the hinge pins into the hinge holes of the toilet seat. Place the optional spacers if required and soft gaskets on the threaded hinge posts. Place the plastic seat lifts into position over the bolt holes on the toilet. Holding the hinge pins and hardware in place, put the seat in an upright position and slide the hinge posts through the holes in the plastic lifts and toilet bolt holes. From the underside of the bowl, place the soft round washer, metal round washer, and metal lock washer on the hinge post and start to thread the nut manually. Finish tightening with the 9/16" wrench until firmly secure. Repeat on the opposite side. As you can see, a Sentoco medical assistance toilet seat operates like a standard toilet seat, but with an added lift. Note that the inside bumpers may not touch the rim of the bowl depending on the model. For maintenance, we recommend periodically checking and retightening the nuts. Please clean the seat with a soft, damp cloth and mild soap only. Notice the difference that the additional height provides. There's less bending and pressure on the knees, making it easier and more comfortable to use a Sentoco medical assistance toilet seat.